Alright.
Hit the GoPro.
I got it on.
Done?
Right here, left. Left. Oh yeah, it's right there. I know. Scenery's amazing. Alright, Jake, you just go straight. It's straight from here. And then, dude, you wanna hit the really big jump, or like you wanna do like the little side trail where there's like those mini features?
Do the jump.
I'm not, bro. It's like, alright, I'm gonna do the hip actually. Alright.
What?
It's like a little hidden. You'll see. After the.
Actually, I want to do the jump. Let's do the jump.
Alright, I'm gonna hip it.
This way?
Yeah, just go straight. And you'll see it. I'm gonna hit it, okay?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Make sure on video.